Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Vibes. Let's get started. Today our topic is flow of blood through the heart. But before the topic, we will go with the anatomy of the heart. I am telling the very smallest part which is related only to the flow of blood. So I am not going with the entire part. Okay. Heart is a cone-shaped muscular organ. It is being separated into right side and the left side of the heart. Okay, so the right and the left is being separated by the septum. So which I am pointing through the pen is the septum. Okay, the right and the left is being further divided by valves. Okay, the heart has four chambers. That is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Okay, these are the four chambers of the heart. It is being separated by valve, tricuspid and bicuspid valve, which separates the atrium and the ventricle. Okay, right side we have three. Tricuspid mean three. Tri na three. Cuspid, so it has three cusp. Right side. Left side bicuspid, two. Bi means two. So two cusp. Okay, so right means three, left means two. Right three, left two. Tricuspid valve, here bicuspid valve. Okay, then we are going to look into superior inferior vena cava, pulmonary arteries, left and the right pulmonary artery, the aorta. These all things are going to be discussed. Now let us get back to the flow chart. Welcome back to the flow chart of the heart. So the superior and the inferior vena cava. See, this one part of the flow chart deals with the deoxygenated blood. What is deoxygenated? D means D, oxygenated blood. D means in absence of. Deoxygenated, in absence of oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. So this part carries only the blood which contains carbon dioxide. Here it comes as oxygenated blood. From this part, see, I have made a mark. Oxygenated blood, so which carries the oxygen. So we are going to see detailedly the superior and the inferior vena cava. It carries the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. So the superior vena cava will bring the deoxygenated blood from where? Superior, which is in the top. Okay, it carries the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, head, neck. Okay, from the upper part. Inferior vena cava, inferior means low, that is from the lower part of the body. Superior means upper part of the body, inferior means lower part of the body. It is going to bring blood from those areas. It passes the blood through into the right atrium, which is a chamber of a heart. The right atrium, okay, it flows the blood into right ventricular with the help of tricuspid valve. Tri means three, cuspid valve. So the blood enters into the right from the right atrium. Through the valve, it gets into the ventricle. So next, from the ventricle, it goes to the pulmonary artery. The left and the right pulmonary artery will carry the deoxygenated blood to the left and the right part of the lung, because lung is a pair of an organ. So it has a right and the left side, right? So it will pass on the blood to the both sides, where the carbon dioxide is exhaled and the oxygen is inhaled. Once the oxygen is inhaled, it becomes the oxygenated blood. Before lungs, it is deoxygenated. After the lung, it is oxygenated blood. Okay. Now we are getting the purest form of blood, that is the oxygenated blood. Through the pulmonary vein, it enters into the left atrium. Now the lung part is over. Once again, we are coming into the heart part. Okay. The left atrium. Through the bicuspid valve, which is also known as the mitral valve. Where does it is going to go? Go to the left ventricle. Through the aorta, the blood is being supplied to the whole part of the body. This is the flow of blood through the heart. Okay. Once again, I'll show it diagrammatically. This is our heart. So the blood, the deoxygenated blood enters from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava to the right atrium. From the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, it enters into the right ventricle. Then it is passed into the left and the right pulmonary artery, where the lungs will make the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. Now through the pulmonary vein, see the pulmonary vein, it enters into the left atrium. From the left atrium through the bicuspid wall, bi means 2. From the bicuspid wall, we enter into the left ventricle. Now the blood is being pumped into the aorta. See, it is being pumped into the aorta, where it reaches the other parts of the body. The whole body gets the oxygenated blood. Once again, the all deoxygenated blood from the whole body goes. So this cycles completely repeats in the body.